Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cleaning the MAF sensor on this Honda Insight. So procedure is the same on the most cars. You will see the sensor on top of air filter, which is just located here, but you will need to clean it with the spray MAF spray you can get from the market. So MAF means mass airflow sensor. When you clean this sensor, it will help to increase the average of the car, so you will save on the fuel. So we'll open the air filter first. Just by removing the clips. Here you can see the cover has been removed and the MAF sensor is just located inside this hole. So we can remove this clip as well. Make sure not to touch the sensor here. You just need to spray inside this hole and leave it to air dry for about 15 minutes. So here's I'm gonna spray the sensor here. You can see the small silver wires in there. Just to make sure, do not spray here on the electrical part. So we're gonna leave it to dry in air maybe for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll just refit it back. Thanks for watching the video.